For this year's Math and Science Fair, our objectives are to develop understanding and appreciation to the practical applications of maths and science concepts, to enhance students' creativity, resourcefulness, critical thinking skills, and analytical minds. And of course, to provide an avenue for learning while having fun by integrating maths and science principles. We hope that this year we are able to show this through our activities and exhibit.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Charlotte. Term 1 has got off to a fantastic start with students adjusting to online learning. At Kingston, supporting our students to own their learning is a priority. Maths and Science Fair is another opportunity for our learners to develop their skills and make observations among others, and of course to overcome difficulties as well. It is amazing to see all the fabulous projects which are displayed in the foyer. Creating these projects teach our students to think like scientists and mathematicians. So, to our future scientists and mathematicians, enjoy your virtual Maths and Science Fair with the theme Maths and Science Coexist. To the parents, we can't thank you enough for supporting your children in such an exciting process of discovery.
With the theme Maths and Science Coexist.
You hear it right. Maths and science teachers work together to make this activity meaningful to our dear students.
Through this, our students can learn maths and science concepts and principles by doing.
So they will not only learn the theory but also do the experiment and practical activity.
Yes, especially for our kindergarten students, we prepare fun and exciting activities for them to build their critical thinking, motor and counting skills so they can apply this in their daily lives.
Are you excited? Welcome to our Maths and Science work of kindergarten students.
Enjoy!
be your science teacher. My warmest welcome to all of you to our Maths and Science Fair 20 and 21, introducing the hard work of the primary level.
I am Miss Jessica, your maths teacher. The theme of our activity is Maths and Science Coexist, as both of them are applied in our life. Can you imagine the world's existence without maths and science?
Indeed, Miss Jessica, in science, we learn more about ourselves and the environment we live in. The process on how we breathe, eat, move, and even the process of forming rain. Well, we are hoping that with the prepared activities, the students have acquired new concepts and skills by their own experience in doing minutes experiments and while having fun.
Truly, Miss Julie, same as the maths as well. Do you know how the ancient people built the pyramid? Or the modern architect in the world built in Eiffel and Burj Khalifa? Absolutely, maths is involved there. In addition to it, maths is required in different fields like engineering, medicine, and in environmental sciences. Constructing buildings must follow with symmetrical and asymmetrical objects and fulfill environmental functions such as minimizing wind speed around the base of tall buildings.
And how about the use of maths and science in your daily life?
Well, the use of money and some calculations to buy pizza, dim sum, or sushi, or even at home when our mom cooks foods uses measurements of mass and volume in her recipe.
That's right, Miss Jessica. And putting them all together, you will create a mixture. So, sit back and enjoy watching this video until the very end.
Presenting the maths and science galaxies of the primary level.
everybody, today we're going to make gas in the balloon.
I have a baking soda, a vinegar, an empty bottle, and a balloon.
Now let us see what will happen
science time project.
We're doing a simple science experiment about water cycle. Here are the
It
materials.
is a glassware or cup, a plate, a hot water, and 4 to 5 ice cubes. So
So let's get started. So the first step is get a glass and pour the hot water. The next step is put the tray on top of the glass. Now we need to take 4 ice cubes and put it on top.
My conclusion is the heat from the hot water causes the water to evaporate and turn into water vapor. And then the water vapor condense and turn into tiny water droplets. After the tiny water droplets are getting bigger, they precipitate into rain.
So, materials for lava lamp.
So these are the metals: clear funnel, oil, a few tablets, and
Good morning everyone, I'm Miss JJ. It's the first time we combine the Maths and Science Fair together with the theme Maths and Science Coexist. I hope this event will help you explore more towards such interesting experience to develop your academic skill. Maths and science are two very important subjects, not just in school but also in our lives. We are surrounded by maths and science in our everyday life, making them essential parts of our existence. We need to treat everything as a learning experience and concentrate on everyday implementations of maths and science in our lives. Although this school year we still have to do it virtually, I'm sure it will be no less interesting and it will bring you so much fun. Enjoy the Maths and Science Fair 2021.
From India who says, without mathematics there is nothing you can do. Everything around you speaks about mathematics. Everything around you related to numbers. Hi all, I am Ms. Priska. I welcome you to Math and Science Fair 2021 secondary level.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Bari. In science, we have a concept of methodology that is called scientific methods. All scientific disciplines are united by the use of scientific methods. It offers an objective methodology for scientific experimentation that results unbiased interpretation of rules and defines knowledge. You know, Krista, in secondary level, we apply the concept.
Oh, no wonder, sir. Mathematics and science are considered as the hard subjects for students. I think there is a small percentage for students who love it to the core. But they have to realize math may not teach us how to add love, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution.
Yes, Miss. And this solution must be presented according to the major precepts of the scientific methods, which are verifiability, predictability, quantifiability, and fairness, leading to many innovations and inventions that are disclosed by the learners. Let's enjoy the event and see you around.
Please watch the secondary in action.
finishing off our
Welcome to my presentation. So this is the 3D project. I made it from string, wet markers, glue markers, cardboard and inks.
40.078 rounded to 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Electron configuration of calcium is K is equal to 2, L is equal to 8, M is equal to 8, and N is equal to
Everyone, my name is Susani and today we're going to document the results of my investigation balancing egg.
This experiment does the egg type affect the bouncy characteristic.
Bouncing egg investigation is that the raw egg bounces higher than the hard-boiled egg. Shows an overall summary of the height at which it was dropped.
The results were shown we were able to conclude the height which the raw egg bounce is significantly shorter than the height which the boiled egg bounce.
Metropolitan Daily News. This is Crystal Lee
and Stephen Owen. We're here to give you the latest updates on the COVID-19 and the Delta variant that has been spreading throughout all of Indonesia.
Reported today on the 22nd of August, COVID-19 cases have added up to a total of 3,979,456 cases in Indonesia.
Meanwhile, healed patients of the COVID-19 cases have increased to a total of 3,639,867 people.
Indonesia is currently implementing a more restrictive form of lockdown, where non-essential and non-critical commercial activities are not allowed. Domestic travel is restricted, while inter-regional travel is permissible, only with a vaccination certificate or a valid COVID-19 negative test result.
Prevention from COVID-19 includes keeping a safe distance of around 6 feet away from other people. People will also have to always wear a mask or a face shield in public, especially in public buildings such as malls or restaurants, or when social distancing is not possible. Now we'll head over to
receive the highest COVID-19 cases and was declared as one of the red zone areas, is now decreasing its COVID-19 infected patients every day. Dr. Jason, can you explain more about the Delta variant?
The Delta variant could lead to hyperlocal outbreaks and carry multiple mutations. The Delta variant presents a serious challenge to controlling the COVID-19 in Indonesia.
That's it for today's news.
I'm going to be presenting my maths project, which is the trigonometry visual aid.
airplane with the widest wings will fly the furthest. In this case, it will be paper airplane model D and paper model C.
Also A1.
We have come to an end of our celebration. We do hope that with this activity, let us realize how science and math coexist. They are actually best of friends. And let me say congratulations to each one of us who made this math science fair possible. Thank you for the strong enthusiasm, tremendous efforts we showed in all the project outputs, exhibits, and games.
Let us continue to love math and science as they are integrated part in our daily life, which we cannot live without.
Thank you also to our parents for the continuous support and collaboration as we guide them home. Rest assured parents that even this pandemic never stop us from producing interactive activities for your child's creative minds.